Use the SUNKONZ multifunctional blender. Make it strawberry smoothie. First, we prepare blender. Mixing cup, fresh strawberries, syrup, yogurt, strawberry jam, edible ice, electronic scale. The SUNKONZ mixing cup. NSF food, grade certified. Made of imported Triton. BPI free. Make smoothie drinks. We use the flat blade cup. Before making drinks, first, set the strawberry smoothie program. For example, set A to this drink program. Turn on the blender. Close the soundproof cover. Hold set and A together. 3 seconds until setting mode shows. Burn 1 gear and time. Set to level 1, 5 seconds. Press OK for ban 2. Ban 2 gear and time. Set to level 4, 5 seconds. Press OK for ban 3. Ban 3 gear and time. Set to level 9, 8 seconds. Press OK. Zero out remaining bans. Ban Chinese final. The gear and time are also zero. Press set to save. Memory function enabled. Direct use next time. No reset needed. I prepared ingredients into the mixing cup. 2 fresh strawberries. 12 grams syrup. 70 grams strawberry jam. $80 grams yogurt. $270 grams edible ice. When closing the lid, 5 lid grooves. Match cup images. Spot to spot. Press gently to seal. Open soundproof cover. Lower cup vertically down. Into machine base. Close soundproof cover. Tap A to start. Machine stops. Open soundproof cover. Lift cup straight up. Open the lid. Pour out the drink. Strawberry smoothie done.